Have you ever felt lost in a sea of Excel data, rows upon rows, endless columns, and all you want is to find one simple thing: a name, a number, a date that matters? Well, today I'll show you a magical little tool in Excel 365 that can make your life 10 times easier. It's called AutoFilter, and believe me, once you learn it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. But wait, before we dive in, tell me in the comments below, what's the most frustrating Excel task you face every day? I'll pick 3 answers and share advanced tricks in my next video, just for you. Alright, here's how to turn on the AutoFilter. First, click any cell in your list. Now go to the Data tab and click on Filter. And just like that, boom, tiny drop-down arrows appear on each header. Let's say we want to find all orders by clothing. Click the drop-down arrow on the department column, uncheck Select All, then tick Only Clothing. Done. Only Clothing's orders are now in front of you. Isn't that satisfying? Now, let's go deeper. Want to see only sales above $5,000? Click the drop-down in the Sales column. Choose Number Filters Greater Than and enter $5,000. Boom! You've just sliced through your data like a pro. Okay, now it's your turn. Drop a comment right now. What will you filter first in Excel? Names, dates, high sales? Let me know. And if you're brave, send me a screenshot. I might feature it in my next video. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. You can even filter by color. If you've highlighted rows in green or red, use that to your advantage. And when you're done, just click Clear Filter to bring everything back. If this helped you, imagine what's coming next. So don't forget to like, share, and of course, follow for more. You're not just learning Excel, you're mastering your time, your work, your peace of mind. I'm so proud of your progress. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep excelling.